Good morning, student. This is the chapter Sources of Business Finance explained by me. My name is Pravanjan Misra, JNB Kolase. Okay, what is the meaning of business finance? Business finance means the requirement of fund by business to carry out its various activity is called business finance. What it mean? Finance means just like a money, the requirement of money which is used to carry out the business, that is known as business finance. And in just finance is just like a blood of the organization. Now in this slide we divide our financial need on the basis of permanence, on the basis of time, means period of use. Clear? So on the basis of permanence, our financial needs can be divided into fixed capital and working capital, and on the basis of period of use, our financial need divided in long term capital as well as short term capital. Okay, so in this fixed capital, no need to write requirement here. What is the meaning of here? Fixed capital, the capital which required to purchase fixed assets like building, plant, machinery, etc. called fixed capital. ठीक, I again told you no need to say that fixed capital requirement. Sometimes it is used, sometimes it is not used. So it's better to fix capital. Next is working capital, the fund which required to day-to-day function of organization is called working capital requirement. Next, in this slide, we again classify the sources of fund. So on the basis of period, we have three sources of fund: long-term sources, medium-term sources, and short-term sources of fund. On the basis of ownership, we again classify owners fund and borrowed fund. And on the basis of sources of generation, there are two: internal sources and external sources. So in next slide, we will discuss one by one. What is the meaning of long-term sources? ठीक है, तो for a period financial requirement of an enterprise for a period exceeding 5 years, जो 5 years से ज़्यादा के लिए हमें रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, दैट इज द लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्सेज. और ये जो लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्सेज होते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? जैसे शेयर्स, डिवेंचर्स, लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग, लोन फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन एक्चुअली, एंड द अमाउंट विच इज यूज या विच इज रेज from the long term sources are used to purchase fixed assets. Clear? In next slide, medium term means more than 1 year but less than 5 years. That is the come under the category of medium term sources. What are the example? Borrowing from commercial bank, public deposit, lease financing, loan from financial institutions, etc. Next is short-term resources, means for a period not exceeding 1 year. That is the meaning. That is your short-term sources. So trade credit, loan from commercial bank, commercial paper are the example of short-term sources. Now next, on the basis of ownership, sources classified into two groups. One is owners fund, another is borrowed fund. So what is the meaning of owner fund? The fund which is provided by the owner of an enterprise known as owner's fund. Example, equity shares, retained earning, etc. Next, borrowed fund. What is the meaning of borrowed fund? Refer to the fund raised through loan or borrowing. Example, loan, debenture, public deposit, trade credit, etc. Next, what are the sources of generation basis? So one is internal basis, fund generated within the organization. External basis, fund generated through the external use of resources. Thank you for watching this video.